remember as a kid, I used to love hiding in tents. We used to build them using old bed sheets and whatever furniture could hold them into place. But here's a pop-up play tent that we put together in a matter of minutes. The tent is held together with a few rods and the material is water resistant and so is easy to wipe clean. The theme of this tent is a rocket ship, and you can see the entire tent is filled with colorful pictures of the moon, stars, galaxy, and spaceships. In fact, the sides even have wings, just like a real rocket ship. The entrance to the inside of the tent is large enough for a small child to crawl in or walk inside. There are two round windows made with see-through mesh for airflow, and so your child can hear and see everything that is happening outside the tent. The floor of the tent, at 40 inches wide, is large enough for a couple of small kids to sit down and play with their toys. And in fact, the inside is so nice and spacious that it's big enough even for me to sit inside. And when lying down on the floor of the tent, you can stare straight up to the dome of the tent where it tops at 53 inches. The tent is a great place for your child to take a nap in or just lie down inside and imagine how space would be like while they look at the stars and planets illustrated on the tent. I find the construction of this tent to be very well made and sturdy. We have this in the living room, but because this tent can also be brought outdoors if you have a yard or visit a campsite, it makes it so convenient to play with. There's even a door flap you can roll up to open the entrance or roll down if your child wants some privacy.